Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today we will learn the GL sound. We will read words with the GL sound like glob and glass. All the other letters in the words you already know how to read. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words we practiced. Let's learn the GL sound. I will say the GL sound 3 times. Listen up. Goal, goal, goal. Now you say it with me. Ready? Let us begin. Goal, goal, goal. Great job. Let's read words with the GL sound, like glad and glass. This is how we will read the words on our word list. First, we will say the GL sound. Then we will read the rest of the word. Finally, we will read the whole word. We will follow this method of reading straight through the word list. Once we complete reading the word list in this manner, we will review the words by reading straight through the word list without pausing. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words that we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. Go, add, glad. Go, glut. Go, glob. Go, glass. Go, gloss. Go, glitch. Great job. Now we will review the words on our word list without pausing. Ready? Let us begin. Glad, glut, glob, glass, gloss, glitch. Great job. Now we will read sentences that contain the words that we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. I am glad to see my friend today. There was a glut of apples at the market. A glob of paint fell on my shoe. I drank milk from a glass. She put pink gloss on her lips. The game had a glitch and stopped working. Great job. You did it. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 9. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day and review the lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of the lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can do this lesson with ease. When you can do this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've enjoyed the experience of reading today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.